Hi everyone, this is Kevin with Garrison Dental Solutions, and I want to talk to you, really kind of compare for you today a couple of different retainerless systems. The one that I have in front of the camera right now is one that's been out for a very, very long time. It is not a Garrison product, as you can see. One of the reasons I wanted to talk to you about this today is for whatever reason, this product is exceptionally hard to get a hold of right now. So if you're having trouble obtaining refills of this product or the instruments for this product, I'm going to show you an alternative here in just a second, but I want to get this unboxed a little bit so we've got it out in front of us. Okay, so that is, of course, the Automatrix kit from Dentsply. The product I want to show you today was, at one time, called the Automatrix 2. See the similarities, obviously, in the name. This was the descendant of this original system, and there are some major changes done, and it is by far a superior product. Let's start, first of all, with the bands themselves. Of course, if you have this product, you're very familiar with these little metal bands. So the Automatrix bands have the little retainer clip on the side. Placement isn't particularly challenging. It is sometimes a little bit tough to tighten these down. This little guy, the tool that does the tightening, you know, you've got to fit that down into that little hole, and you know, it kind of torques the band around as you tighten it. And once it's tightened, you can't adjust the tension. You can't loosen it with this device. It only goes tighter. And then, of course, when your restoration is complete, in order to remove this, they have this frightening looking tool here, where you actually have to cut the retainer clip loose from the band in order to get it off. You've got small metal parts then that are let loose in the oral cavity. There are these little cups that you can attach to this device to try to catch that little piece, but yeah, not really ideal. And of course, these Automatrix bands are absolutely flat as a pancake. There is no contour to them. They're just, again, it was the precursor product. So it worked well for a long time, but some smarter minds came along and developed this. Let's take a look at some of the key differences. Of course, the ReelMatrix is what this product is called. It was, I don't know, probably 10, 15 years ago, it was called Automatrix 2. Then Garrison took this product over. Really a superior retainerless device where we have the gripper claws that allow you to really positively engage the reels. You can bring that into the oral cavity on the device itself. Place the matrix band, and then you rotate the reel to tighten it here, and you can release it. Now, one of the great things, you can, if it's too tight, if you need to adjust it, you can actually loosen these again. So huge benefit, being able to tighten and loosen the band. When it's time to remove the band, you use the device again, extend the grippers, clamp on, and release. And you can take that out without having to cut any part of this and create the opportunity for small pieces to be ingested by the patient. So very convenient, very safe form factor for delivering the reel. The reels come in a huge variety of styles. Let me grab my tweezers here and grab a few of them here. There are cure-through varieties. We have dead soft and regular. This is a dead soft band. You can see here the hub in the center is white. The hub in the center of this one is yellow. This is more of a firm, regular band. This one is a dead soft band. You can see they do have some contour to them, which is nice as well. There's talls and shorts. So depending upon the height of the matrix band that you need, you can grab a tall or a short. And of course, what we're really known for with this system is the deep margin elevation band, kind of a specialty application of this device that is a technique that's really growing in popularity. One last note about the difference between Automatrix and ReelMatrix is that the parts are not interchangeable. The Automatrix matrix bands will not fit on the ReelMatrix handles, so don't think that you can grab a ReelMatrix handle and use it on there, and vice versa. The ReelMatrix reels, of course, do not fit the Automatrix device. So when it's time to make that change, which now is a great time considering you can't get any refills, when it's time to make that change, start with a kit so that you get the handle and the matching reels for it. Of course, the great thing about this product, it is in stock and ready to ship at Garrison. So if you are having trouble getting a hold of Automatrix tools or supplies, go onto our website. ReelMatrix is the name of the product, and it is ready for you today.